BMW came in for a full color change. This is Satin Chrome Red. A lot of people were saying that it's going to be difficult to install, this and that. But at the end of the day, it just comes down to the installer. And it was a cakewalk difficulty. I'm going to just say 6.5 out of 10. Around there. The only thing I had an issue with, it was very, very sticky. So I tried to limit myself any times I need to lift the wrap. The front bumper was also okay. Right now I'm doing the back bumper. It wasn't as hard. Like I said, it was just pretty sticky. So I limited my lifts on the material because I don't want to discolor anything. I just loosened it a little bit around the areas to make sure everything's tucked well. Put some tape around so I'm not cutting on the wrap that I just laid on. I'm going to continue making videos on all the process of the cars that I wrap. I was kind of lacking on it. I'm not gonna lie, I've just been so busy that I just haven't had time to pick up the camera. But you know, that shouldn't be an excuse, so we're gonna start getting this done.
This is the last puzzle to this M4 Satin Chrome. So what I'm doing here, I laid an inlay in there where it belongs, and I have to put the rest here. Just a piece that has to go run down, put one right here that flops over. Just because the wrap cannot physically tuck in there, we're gonna remove this. I already loosened the front bumper right here, look. So pull this back, tuck it all the way in there as well, nice and tucked. We're gonna put a piece of black in here because there's still white that shows. We just put a black strip in here, a little light pack. That's pretty much it. We're gonna take up this logo. Last thing, the grills, I literally just put my hand in here, popped it off. So if you're trying to steal one, that's how you do it. But let's get it done.
This is how it turned out, Satin Chrome from Tech Wrap. So right now we took it to my boy's shop to get it ceramic coated, protected, and this is how it turned out. What an insane color. Looks amazing. I've been dying to do this color on a car. I've been trying to instigate it for people to get it. When they say they want a red, I try to shoot for this color, but he's the one that finally tackled it and we got it done. So this was one of my dream colors to do. Ignore that message. One of my dream colors to do, and we finally did it. Next up to do a mirror chrome. Can't wait.